Welcome back. Now I'm gonna present to you how to make maki. These are the ingredients for making the California maki. The sushi rice, slice of avocado, crab stick, cucumber, carrots, and lettuce. Now I'm gonna put the rice on the nori. This is how we put the rice. Spread all over. Just make sure to fill up all the nori. Yeah. And then you will turn around. Put mayo on that side. Put the crab stick. Slice of avocado. Slice of carrots. Lettuce. Yeah. 4 pieces of cucumber. And then start to roll. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There you go.
Ayos ah.
Now I'm gonna cut it into 8 pieces. Yeah. Put tomato. Afterwards, I'm gonna put it in the plate. Yeah, as you see. 1, 2, 3. There you go. This is the California maki that I make. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.